Okay, so I got this lock bolt set in today. It's a fingerprint keypad deadbolt replacement for the front door. These are all the different features it has. Here's the deadbolt parts. And then the hardware, the keypad. This thing is really heavy. This has some weight to it. There's a charging port for it. Unnecessary hardware. So I'm gonna set everything up, and then when I'm done, I will let you know how it looks. So here it is, guys. It's real easy to install. You can actually unlock it and lock it with the app. This is the deadbolt one. Let me put in the photo real quick. See, just like that, and it has a fingerprint. See, it unlocked. I would definitely get it 10 out of 10. This is my second product with this company.